Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a beauty quickie. It's a little hair hack video, whatever you will call it. Anyways, today we are doing the 30-minute purple shampoo test with shimmer lights. This should be interesting. Earlier in the month I did the 30-minute purple shampoo test with the John Frieda Violet Crush shampoo. And I actually did that because a subscriber suggested it, and that was a really awesome suggestion. I was happy with the outcome. I did try shimmer lights here on my channel before. I'll link that below. But again, today we're doing the full 30-minute experiment. So this should be good. If you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the official before shot. Without further ado, I'm going to wet my hair and apply the product. Hi guys, so I finished putting it on and just want to make a point to say I'm feeling kind of lazy tonight. I pretty much only saturated the parts of my hair towards the front that were very like platinum already, because this type of thing doesn't do much for dark blonde. I feel like, I could be wrong, but with my experience that's kind of the vibe I get. So I decided, why waste my time? I'm gonna stick to mostly up here. I did spread it back a little, but this is where we're at. I'm gonna look at the clock and start the countdown. We're gonna leave this on for 30 minutes. Hey guys, it's me. It's the next day. I'm at my grandma's house in the kitchen, and for some reason I look kind of cracked out, but I promise I'm not. So this is the after result, and it's subtle, but the shampoo did tone my hair, make it really pretty. Like the front part and the bangs you can see are like super pale pastel purple, and I really love that. That's what I was going for. So I would say it was successful, but I recommend doing it on very pale hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.